Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Faizuddin and my register number is 01DKM23F1016. Introduction. Differentiation is used widely in solving problems, especially in engineering, medical, commerce, agriculture, and many other fields. When you find the rate of change of quantity with respect to another quantity, you are actually doing differentiation. Another name for differentiation is the derivative of the function. If a person is running up a hill, his vertical height will change with respect to his horizontal height. This rate of change of vertical height with respect to horizontal height is called the gradient. Gradient equal change of vertical height over change of horizontal height. Generally, to find the differentiation of y with respect to x, just write the symbol dy over dx to reference it.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Adam Iqbal bin Karwami. My number registration is 01DKN23F1026. So today I would like to talk about application of differentiation in real life. So let's move for the number one is physics and engineering. Differentiation help us understand motion and change by differentiating displacement with respect to time. We obtain velocity and acceleration. This knowledge is crucial in designing vehicles, predicting the behavior of objects in motion, and developing control system for robotics. So let's move for the number two is economics. Differentiation assists in maximizing profit and minimizing costs by differentiating costs and revenue functions. We can determine the production level that maximizes profit. Additionally, the concept of marginal analysis, which involves calculating the rate of change of cost or revenue helps in optimizing decision-making processes. So let's move for the last one is medicines. Differentiation plays a vital role in the modeling physiological processes. By differentiating functions that describe the growth or decline of substances in the body, such as drug concentrations, we can analyze the rates of change and make informed decisions about doses and treatment strategies. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Ikram Hafi bin Anwar. My registration number is 01DKM23F1008. So now I will do question 1. Y equal to 2x cubed minus 3x squared. So the solution is, the first question is use differentiate to find expression for dy over dx. dy over dx equal to 6x squared negative 6x. The next question is find the coordinate of any stationary point on the curve. dy over dx equal to 0. So 6x squared negative 6x equal to 0. 6x in the brackets x negative 1 equal to 0. So we get x equal to 1 and x equal to 0. When x equal 1, y equal to 1 cube negative 3 1 square. So you will get y equal to negative 1. The coordinate you will get is 1 negative 1. Next is when x equal to 0, y equal to 0 cube negative 3 0 square. So y equal to 0. So the coordinate you will get 0, 0. So the next question is, how many stationary points does the graph have? Stationary point on the graph is 2. There is 1 negative 1 and 0, 0. So next question is, determine x-intercept and y-intercept point. X-intercept, y equal to 0. So y equal to x cubed negative 3x squared. 0 equal to 2x cubed negative 3x squared. 0 equal x squared in the bracket 2x negative 3. So you will get x equal to 0 and x equal to 3 over 2. Y-intercept is x equal to 0. So y equal to 2x cubed negative 3x squared. Y equal to 2, 0 cubed negative 3, 0 square. So you will get y equal to 0. The next question is, determine the nature of any stationary point you found in part 2. Justify your answer. Dy over dx, you get 6x square negative 6x. So differentiate it, you will get 12x negative 6. When x equal to 0, 12 in the bracket 0 negative 6, you will get negative 6. When x equal to 1, you will get 12 1 negative 6. So you will get 6. So this is the graph we get from the equation.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Yafiq bin Yusri and my registration number is 01KM 23M1035. And today I will be present question 2, that y equals to x cubed minus 6 square 6x square minus 5. The first solution is use differentiation to find expression for dy over dx. It will be dy over dx equals to 3x square minus 12x. The second is find the coordinate of any stationary point on the curve. We can be dy over dx equals to 0. We replace the value of dy over dx and in the equation, and that will be 3x square plus 12x over 12x equals to 0. And we factorize the 3x and it will be 3x in bracket x plus 4 equals to 0. And the value of x will be 0 and minus 4. When x 0, we replace the value of x in the equation, and there will be y equals to 0 cubed plus 6 in bracket 0 square minus 5, and that will be the value of y is negative 5 and the coordinate is 0 and negative 5. And when x is minus 4, we replace the value of x in the equation, and that will be y equals to minus 4 cubed plus 6 in bracket minus 4 square minus 5. And the value of y will be 27 and the coordinate is minus 4 and 27. The third is, how many stationary points does the graph have? The stationary point that have in the graph is 2, because we got two coordinates, that 0 and minus 5 and minus 4 and 27. The fourth is, determine x-intercept and y-intercept point. Y-intercept that we have is x equal to 0, and we replace the value in the equation that we have y equals to 0 cubed plus 6 in bracket 0 square minus 5, and we will get the value of y is minus 5. And the second is x-intercept. Y equals to x cubed plus 6x square minus 5, and we get the value of y is negative 5, and we replace the value in the equation, that will be negative 5 equals to x cubed plus 6x square minus 5. And then it will be 0 equals to x cubed plus 6x squared, and after that it will be 0 equals to x squared in bracket x plus 6, and we will get the value of x is minus 6 and 0. The question 5 is determine the nature of any stationary point you found in part 2 Roman, justifying your answer. When x is minus 4, will be replace the value of x in the equation. There will be d square y over dx square equals to 6 in bracket minus 4 plus 12, and it will be negative 24 plus 12, and that will be negative 12 that lower than 0, then that was a mean point. And after that, when x equals to 0, we replace the value of the x in the equation, and it will be d square y over dx square equals to 6 in bracket 0 plus 12, and that will be 12 that is higher than 0, that will be the max point for the graph. Okay, so this was the graph that we get from our equation, and that's all from me. Thank you.
In summary, differentiation is a powerful tool with practical application in various fields. Its ability to quantify change, analyze rate, and optimize processes make it indispensable in understanding and improving real-life phenomena.